Hi children, in this video I'll teach you about composite numbers and prime numbers. Here is an activity given for you all to understand composite number and prime numbers in your content book. You can take page number 61 in your content book. Now on the top of that page you can see a picture like this. Here they have given numbers from 1 to 12 and here again 1 to 12. So in the horizontal axis we have numbers from 1 to 12 and in the vertical axis also we have numbers from 1 to 12. Now these 1 to 12 numbers represents the factors and in the horizontal axis the numbers we are going to check the factors of these numbers. For example, take number 1 which is given in the horizontal axis. What are the factors of number 1 in this? From 1 to 12, which are the numbers will be the factors of 1? Only 1, right? So you can just cross here, just against 1. Now check 2. What are the factors of 2? 1 and 2, right? So I have just put a cross mark against this 1 and 2. Okay. Now 3. When we consider 3, the factors of 3 are 1 and 3. So I have just put a cross mark here, 1 and near to this 3. Okay. Now consider 4. What are the factors of 4? Yes, again 1. So here a cross mark. And then 2 is also a factor of 4. So cross it over here. Then 3. No. Then 4. So just cross it over here. Understood? Then we have to check 5. What are the factors of 5? 1 is factor of 5. So just cross over here. 2 we don't have. 3 we don't have. 4 no. Then we have 5. So cross it over here. So 1 and 5 are the factors of 5. Considering number 6. Again 1 is a factor. Cross it. 2 is a factor of 6. 3 is also a factor of 6. And we have 6. 4, 5 are not factors of 6. So you don't cross that. Then we have 7. Again 1 is a factor of 7. So cross it. And we don't have 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 also is not a factor of 7 and then next is 7. So when you are crossing, cross in the exact box. 7 when you are considering, go in the box of 7 itself. And against what factor you are crossing it, cross it. Then we have 8. Factor of 8. 1 is a factor of 8. So cross it. 2 is also a factor of 8. 3 is not. Then 4. Then 5 is not. 6 is not. 7 also not there. Then we have 8. So 1, 2, 4, 8. These are the factors of 8. Then 9. So 9 when you consider, 1 is a factor of 9. 2 is not there. 3 is exactly. 4 is not there. 5 not there. 6, 7, 8. Then we have 9. So cross 9. Then we have 10. 10 we will consider now. 1 is a factor of 10. 2 is also. 3, 4 is not there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? 10 is the factor. Then we have 11. When you consider 11, 1 is a factor of 11 and 2 is not there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's also not there. Then we have at the last 11. Then last number 12. Yes, 1 is a factor of 12. 2 is also. 3 is also. 4. Then we don't have 5. Then 6 we have. 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 also is not there. Then we have 12. So these are the factors of 12. So we have marked factors of numbers from 1 to 12. If you marked exactly, this is the picture you will get at the end. So we have completed the first table. Looking at this table, I have listed all the factors of numbers from 1 to 12. For 1, we have only one factor, that is 1. For 2, we have two factors, 1 and 2. For 3, 1 and 3. Then for 4, we have 1, 2, 4. Just looking at the above grid, you can get the factors. Accordingly, you have to complete till 12. So I have completed the factors up to 12. Now, look at this factors. Here you can see some numbers are colored in orange, some numbers are colored in green. Why did I color this? So, look at the speciality of the numbers which are colored in orange. There, when we compare their number of factors they have, everywhere we can see only 2 factors. See, 2 is colored in orange. How many number factors it has? It has only 2. For 3, again, it has only 2 factors, 1 and 3. When you take 5, how many factors it has? 2 factors, 1 and 5. For 7, again 1 and 7, 2 factors. And at last 11 also 1 and 11. So it has only 2 factors. What about the numbers which is colored in green? Yeah, it has more than 2 factors. Consider number 4. It has 3 factors, 1, 2, 4. When you take number 8, it has 4 factors. When you take number 12, it has 6 factors. So there are some numbers which has only 2 factors. Those numbers will be bigger than 1 and it will have only 2 factors, that is 1 and that number itself. Such numbers are called prime numbers. Here if you consider number 5, it has only 2 factors, so it can be called as a prime number. When you consider 12, it has more than 2 factors. Here they have 6 factors. That means 12 can be called as a composite number. Then what about 1? Why I have not given any color for 1? Because the number 1 has only 1 factor. So we can say that 1 is neither prime nor composite. So now I hope you all understood what is prime numbers and what is composite numbers. Prime numbers means it has only 2 factors, 1 and that number, and composite numbers means it will have more than 2 factors. Now here is your homework for you. You can prepare a table just like this. Numbers and factors. Prepare a tables like this. Numbers column you can write till 12 we have completed here. So start writing from 13 to 25. You can write 13 to 25. Write numbers from 13 to 25. And for each numbers find the factors. For 13, what are the factors of 13? We have 1 and 3. 1 and 13. For example, in the numbers box I am writing 13. In the factors column I have to write 1, 13. These are the factors of 13. What's my next number? It's 14. So what are the factors of 14? 1, 14, 2, 7. Accordingly, you have to complete up to number 25. Write the factors of 25. So, what are the factors it comes? 1, 25 and 5. These are the 3 factors of 25. Till this. Now, after you complete, same way how I have colored. For all the prime numbers, that is, the numbers which have only 2 factors can be colored in orange color. The numbers which has more than 2 factors, that is composite numbers, can be colored in green color. That is your follow up for this video. I hope you all are clear with everything. Thank you children.